Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. So let's read the question first. A block with a weight of 3 Newton is at rest on a horizontal surface. Okay, maybe let's draw it first. So we will have a horizontal surface here. Okay, let's draw it like this. This is our surface. And we have a box stands on it, right? So we'll have a box here. And what else that we can get from here? Okay, we have the weight of the block is 3 Newton. Okay, so we will have the weight here, which is the force by the weight is equal to 3 Newton. Good. And then a 1 Newton upward force is applied to the block by means of attach a string. So we have another force here, but this time that will be going up. So this is the force on string, right? So that will be 1 Newton. Okay, but then here we only have the vertical forces. We do not have any horizontal forces. So maybe let's write the Fs and Fw in the unit vector notation. So we will have Fs here. The positive one is upward. So I will have 1j here, 1j, because we don't have any on the I direction, right? So we'll have 1j here. But then we will have Fw. That will be in the downward direction. And so we will have minus 3j. Okay. And then the force of the block on the horizontal surface is just the net force, right? So this one will be the net force. And how to find it? We will have to use this one here, right? So sigma f, we can just add them up. So we will have our Fs here, and then plus our Fw, the force by the weight. Okay, and what is Fs? We will have 1j, and then we will have plus Fw, that will be minus 3j, right? 1 plus minus 3, that will be minus 2j, right? So we'll have minus 2j, and that will be our net force here in the unit vector notation. So this one is in unit vector notation, but we need to find out the magnitude and direction. Okay, so from this one, we can have the magnitude. So the magnitude of the force, that will be obviously 2, right? We only have in the downward direction. So we'll have 2 Newton as the magnitude of the force. So this is the answer for question A. And then for the question B, we need to find out the direction or the theta here. The theta is on the downward here. So we will have minus 90, right? Because 0 is horizontal, but downward, that will be minus 90 degrees. Or we can write it as downward. And I think that's all for this problem. The answer is 2 Newton and downward. Okay, I think that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.